Hey guys, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Alright, and today I have some good news. Good news is I found and ordered a new casing. It's an empty casing, but it's a new casing for a 46RH. I'm still trying to figure out if you can use the 46RE. But the H in the RH stands for hydraulic, and that's what these tubes are for. And the E in the 46E or 46RE, that's for electric. It has a solenoid instead of hydraulic. Anyway, since I got a new case coming, we're going to take this apart. And first thing I'm going to do though is on this. First thing I'm going to do is put some paper towels down. But seeing as this is my first transmission, and right now this is the problem. I'm going to do this first, then I'll work on the transmission. But this here is the actuating clutch for this, so I want to keep all that together. Besides that, there's a thrust bearing here, a spacer, and this is the clutch. So I'm going to take that off. I'm going to put these right back together the way they belong as it came off. Thrust bearing, spacer, and I'm going to set these over here where hopefully they won't get messed with. So that's all I needed to do with this. Now we're going to work on this, and let's see what we got here. This is a new experience for me, and I want to make sure. Can you guys? Yeah, I'm gonna move you over here a little bit. Let's see how this goes. But I'm doing this once. I'm not gonna put it back together, so I can take it apart, just so I can get a better angle. Hell, I might do that because I haven't seen anyone take one of these four-wheel drive units apart, or even an RH, hydraulic one apart. So I'm going to do the best I can to document this. All right, let's see how we go here. Take that spring out. Put that over here, and there another spring in here or anything? Nope, we're into the clutches now. Alright, let's see what we got. This is the other thing. This is a spacer. Alright. Well, that don't look, no, that's not bad at all. That's pretty much wiping off with my finger, so that looks good. But we're going like this, so we're gonna, because I'm an idiot and I don't know if this matters or not, but I'm gonna make sure that these come out and face the same way coming out, just so I don't get confused. And what I'm really interested in is the friction discs. And they actually have plenty of meat on them. And that's, I don't know if it's picking it up, but that's a light brown color. The back side's a little black, so it might have got a little hot at one time, but you know, the clutches don't look bad on it. And far as I can tell, with my crooked ass vision, the steel looks good. A little shiny, but some Scotch-Brite would take care of that. They don't look burnt. I don't see any burns on them. But like I said, we're just gonna, yeah, they from my non-expert opinion, they don't look bad. They don't look bad at all. And I lost count how many we got. Oh, okay. There's only 2 friction and 2 clutch so far. There's a whole freaking stack of them in here, big time. I'm sorry, I'm in the way. Trying to do this sideways here. There we go, that's all of them. I'm going to take a second and just kind of look these over. Yeah, they are straight. I said they're a little dark, but there's a lot of meat left on them. And the steels look straight, you know, because I am limited on budget and everything. I might not replace these clutches anyway. They seem to be looking good. Okay, so that goes in that way. So I'm gonna put it facing down just like I had it on the bench. Okay, now, all right, there's another clip in here. God. So, where are you? I don't know where the split is for it. Okay, I see what we got here. Alright, I see what we got here. Get this under here. Oh, come on, I almost had you. There we go. It's supposed to be, I think this is supposed to be a wavy ring in here. I'm just having a hell of a time getting up under it. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I know you guys that do this for a living are sitting there cringing and going, what the hell are you doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing the best I can with what I have, and it's not much. There we go. That's what I couldn't find, was the damn split on it. Alright, yeah, this is supposed to be a wavy spacer. And, I don't know, I think this is supposed to be replaced, but anyway, that goes there. Alright, so that goes facing that way. And then there's another ring in here, and sometimes what I've heard is that they're plastic, but this one is not. Where the hell are you? You're up here. I know, guys, I'm in your way. I know. I'm sorry. There we go. There we go. Alright. Yeah, they say sometimes these things are plastic, but this one's metal. I guess that's good. I like metal better. Okay, and I think this comes out now. I am not sure. I am not sure. There is a bolt in here, but oh, ow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there's definitely something else I have to be disconnecting here in order to get this out, and it's probably some sort of solenoid or something. What do we have? Do we have any bolts on the outside? Like I said, guys, I'm sorry, I'm figuring this out as I go along. I got one bolt in here that I can see. Alright, well, give me a minute to figure this out. Oh, I know what it is. I'm an idiot. Like on your tail shafts, and I know I can hear you guys hollering at me now. I'm an idiot. Like on the tail shafts, right here is a C-clip. That's what's holding it in. I'm sorry. I'm learning. I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm doing this for your benefit, so you don't have to go through the same mistakes I am. Okay. I'm going to try and pause this. I'll be right back. I got to get a T25 Torx bit. Alrighty, we're back. I got the Torx bit. Well, something to the effect of it. Alright. Okay. And that come off, and that come off, and that goes into the parts bin here. Put this down and okay. What am I doing wrong? Alright, now there is something in here, a bolt in here, so we'll try taking that out. Seeing as this is hydraulic, there might be something else in there. I don't know. I don't want to force too much. Okay. Alright. I'll be right back. I gotta find the right socket. Alright guys, we're back, and as you can see, it's standing upright now. And I found that that's what I needed was a little bit of help from gravity. So I released the clip in here, and with it standing up like this and shaking the tail shaft a little bit, she decided, oh yeah, no wonder why gravity helped. That damn thing is heavy. Yeah, okay, so she decided to come out. Oh my God, that's a heavy little unit. Now, that's pretty much this piece right here. That's pretty much as far as I'm gonna go, because now I believe I get into that like 800-pound friggin' spring. And the clutch pack, there's another clutch pack inside here. On the back of this, I think that's a I think it's a governor. I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm guessing on a lot of this stuff. And then you have some seals, ring type seals. They're all locking on this one, and I have 3 of them. But as far as, ooh, yeah, I think I'm screwed, because I think that is a crack. Yep, that is a crack. God, I just can't win. Just can't win. We got a crack. The drum is cracked. So that's something else I'm gonna have to try and source. But okay. All right. Now what else do we have inside here? Well, got a bearing in the back. All right, I'm not gonna, okay. I see we got another C-clip up here. All right, well, yeah, that's the one I just had to release. That holds everything in. We got the tubes in here. All right, and that seems to go on a collar in the back. I'm sorry. These two seem to run in a collar in the back here, so. Anyway, all right, another bummer. The drum on that is cracked. So, that's something else I'll have to source and figure out. But that's as far as I can go with that today. I just wanted to take it apart so when I get that new housing in here, I can compare it and see what it looks like. I know that bearing's going to have to come out in the back, and we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I'm learning. Obviously, you could tell by a couple of the goofs and errors I've already made, and you know, yes, I do have a manual, but again, for whatever reason, it doesn't cover the 4-wheel drive, and it's a little bit different than the 2-wheel drive. So I don't know, but we're trying, we're making progress, things are going good. Thank you for sticking with me. Like I said, I've been trying real hard to find this online, because I'm a visual person, hands-on visual, reading the manual. My brother-in-law John is awesome at that. He could have, without even pictures, you know, I'm the guy that still reads the comics in the newspaper, because I like pictures and not words. But anyway, in my roundabout way, what I'm trying to say is, I'm trying to help everyone else out. You all can watch the mistakes I made and how I fumble around and try to figure things out, and hopefully when you do it yourself, if you're ever in this situation, you'll have an idea of what not to do, and you can actually look like you know what you're doing. Thank you. You all have a good day, and thank you everybody. Kim Fixes Things, Mopar Nut, Bear Rose Garage, all you guys, thank you so much. I really do appreciate the help and y'all looking out for me. And that's it. It's hot out here. I just wanted to do a little bit, and I gotta turn this fan back on. I turned it off while I was working over here, and I'm just dying. Y'all have yourselves a good evening. Stay tuned. We'll figure out what other trouble I can find with this and get into and figure out. Take care.